And here's game 2 versus. So in game 2, I sort of regret killing their first thing when I could have got to kill their Quasali Pride Mage, but I don't have any enchantments, so it doesn't actually matter. So against them, Mesmeric Fiend is likely to live. Nice. And AR is great here because it means they don't have good attacks. Now, I do end up blocking here, so I'll let them have a Kahira. It's close to not being enough. This is where AR is good because it gets to eat one of their cats. And a couple chump blocks later, or chump block and a trade later, I just outcard advantage them. Sure, they've got sacred cats, but I'll just keep playing blockers and they'll keep attacking into my blockers. So I was pretty fortunate. I don't know whether it was correct to ever give them back their Kahira when I could have made them chump block with something else a turn later and never had them have good attacks with their sacred cats. Yeah, I realise that Mesmeric Fiend isn't actually going to see anything, so I don't sack it on the stack. Like, anything that good, that the only thing that I'd be scared of is sorcery, speed, enchantment, hate. Everything else they would have already played. So they're very dead at this point when I start getting that much value from Ayara. They don't really have any way they can top deck out of that. Okay, I played my second Ayara. Pretty solid second Ayara. They might be legendary, but it really makes a difference if they're legendary because when you play your second copy, they're so good.